Well, Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan is all set to come out of Mumbai's Arthur Road jail after spending 25 days in prison. Speaking to India Today, Arthur Road jail officials have said Aryan Khan will be coming out of jail between 10 a.m. to 10:30 in fact, along with the other inmates. Jail officials also say that they have received the release order and the procedure for his release is on. They've also said that Aryan Khan is happy in talking to other inmates. Aryan could not be released after his legal team could not complete the formalities necessary for his release. Aryan's bail order came in late in the afternoon yesterday. After that, remaining formalities took more time. Owing to that, Team Aryan could not submit all the documents in the Zamanat box at the Arthur Road jail before the deadline of 5:30 p.m. My colleague Arvind Oja, in fact, was there at Arthur Road jail when the bail box was opened in the morning at 5:30 a.m. Take a look at this report.
आर्थर रोड जेल का ये जो जमानत बॉक्स है ये अब खोल लिया गया है और इसी में बहुत मुमकिन है कि जो आर्यन की जमानत जो रिलीज ऑर्डर है वो इसके अंदर हो। तो फिलहाल ये खोला जा रहा है 5:30 बजे और जो प्रक्रिया होती है उसके बाद जो भी इसमें दस्तावेज होते हैं उसको अंदर बाकायदा ले जाया जाता है और उसके बाद फिर प्रक्रिया शुरू होती है रिहाई की। तो आप देख पा रहे हैं कि बाकायदा यहाँ पर अगर आप देखें तो ये जो पेटी है इस पेटी को खोल लिया गया है और ये देखिए जार है वो अंदर जा रहा है। तो इस वक्त आर्थर रोड जेल के अंदर ये पहले आप देख पा रहे हैं कि ये बाकायदा जो रिलीज ऑर्डर है वो इसी पेटी में 5:30 बजे का चूंकि ये वक्त होता है निकाल लिया गया है और अंदर जो रिलीज ऑर्डर है वो अंदर गया है। अब जितने लोगों का रिलीज ऑर्डर गया होगा आर्यन का भी, तो उस तरह से जो प्रक्रिया है रिहाई की वो शुरू होगी।
Pankaj Upadhyay getting us the very latest from Mumbai's Arthur Road jail. Pankaj continues to be with us. Pankaj, tell us about the kind of preparations that are in fact going on right now, given that the anticipation is that there could be a lot of chaos, huge presence of media there. We also have fans. Shah Rukh Khan also is expected to come and take his son home. Just tell us what are the kind of preparations that are being made right now, right outside Arthur Road jail.
So, Sneha, there is massive presence of the Mumbai police now on either side of the road because if Aryan Khan steps out, then he'll have to take at least 200 meters. He'll have to go straight if he takes a left turn, and then he has to make a U-turn before he goes to the main road. What that would mean is if Shah Rukh Khan also accompanies him, then there's definitely going to be a lot of crowd, and that's going to become impossible for the Mumbai police. And that is the reason why, as a precautionary measure, I see massive presence of the Mumbai police on either side of the road as well. In the morning hours, Mumbai police was not on the either side, but now anticipating that perhaps Shah Rukh Khan would also come in. And that is the reason why I see the Mumbai police, not just barricading the entire area, but they have put in their vans on either side as well. Mumbai police says that they anticipate that if at all Shah Rukh Khan does appear at the Arthur Road jail to receive his son, then there will be a lot of curious onlookers. He has a massive fan following in Mumbai, so a lot of fans are bound to gather in at this very place. And of course, the word has already passed in that Shah Rukh Khan is camping at a South Mumbai hotel. What we can confirm to the viewers is that yes, he has left Mannat. He is meeting his legal team to understand what the future processes are also going to be like. Plus, he would also want to understand from his legal team as to when his son finally would be out. The past couple of days there has been a lot of anticipation for Team Aryan Khan. As senior advocate and former Attorney General Mukul Rohatgi has also gone on record to say that Shah Rukh Khan has been a very worried father over the last couple of days, and he was deeply involved in understanding the various legal processes. In fact, as a father and as a very worried father, he used to make several notes on his own, and then he used to discuss with the legal team as well. So today, what has happened is there have been three cars have left Mannat. What we can confirm is that Shah Rukh Khan is camping in a South Mumbai hotel. He is meeting the legal aid to understand what the future processes are going to be like. here at the Arthur Road jail, which remains as the main focus, where Aryan Khan is lodged along with his friend Arbaz Merchant. The jail authorities have said that the release papers have been received. The procedures, the various legal processes are being worked upon. There are other orders as well that are simultaneously being worked upon. And before 12 noon, this is what the jail authorities maintain, that before 12 noon, Aryan Khan is likely to walk out of the Arthur Road jail. Of course, we have had the reaction from Arbaz Merchant's father as well, who maintained that his son too is going to walk out of the Arthur Road jail, but that might take some time. So Arbaz is expected to walk out of the Arthur Road jail only by the evening time. But for Aryan Khan, who's the focus right now, because he happens to be superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son, we have the jail authorities on record saying that the processes have started, and before 12 noon, he could be walking out of the Arthur Road jail.
All
and
right.
as we've been telling the viewers, since this is a very highly secure area, massive preparations are already underway.
All right, Pankaj, be with us. Saurav Vakhtanias and Mannat. What are the preparations inside Mannat that Saurav, you can tell us about?
So Sneha, from yesterday afternoon only the preparation has already started, and currently look at the situation outside Mannat. The fans have started to gather in, and yes, there is a sort of security also beefed up, and you know there are some Babas also here right now who are stationed themselves just at the gate of Mannat. So there are different kinds of people continuously coming in, and such is the situation right now in Mannat. But what we have learned from our sources that yes, Shah Rukh Khan has already left from Mannat. He is at one of the five-star hotel in South Mumbai along with the legal team, but his security guards and some of the men have already reached the Arthur Road jail. There is a 2-car convoy which left from Mannat has now reached the Arthur Road jail. So what we have been told that as and when they get information that yes, in 10 to 15 minutes Aryan Khan will be left from Arthur Road jail, Shah Rukh Khan will definitely go and receive his son from Arthur Road jail. So this is going to be a big day, at least after almost 25 days. Aryan Khan is going to get released from Arthur Road jail. Remember, things have not been so easy. For the roadmap has not been so much easy for Aryan Khan. And even now, when he gets released from Arthur Road jail, remember Sneha, things are going to be very difficult. First of all, his passport has to be given to the Sessions Court, that the NDPS court. He cannot leave the country without informing the court. He has to inform NCB officials even when he has to leave from Mumbai. So there are so many restrictions on Aryan Khan. Whenever he has been called by NCB official, he has to reach at that particular time. And every Friday, remember Sneha, every Friday between 11 to 2 p.m., he has to be at the NCB office for questioning. One very important point which has been mentioned in the bail order is that he cannot tamper with the evidence, he cannot influence any witnesses, and he also cannot comment on the media as well as the social media. So there are so many restrictions on Aryan Khan even after he gets bail. So there is going to be a more difficult roadmap ahead. But yes, having said that, it is going to be a big day. After 25 days from Aryan Khan will be leaving Arthur Road jail, and it is going to be a very difficult task because life inside the jail is completely different. The life which the normal person who has not seen jail, who has not seen any criminal procedure, for him to come out after spending 25 days, and that too, let me tell you, Sneha, an Arthur Road jail, who is one of the most high-profile jail of Mumbai, and it is so much crowded. In one single barrack, there are over 100 to 150 prisoners, and where Aryan Khan was staying, there was over 100 prisoners. So how life he spent inside the Arthur Road jail, it was actually very much difficult. So now once he comes out, he will be back to his home, his bedroom, and he is going to enjoy his life back again. But for him to get normalized, it is going to take some time.
All right, be with us, Saurav, and Pankaj will just come back to you for both in a bit from now. It's a big day. By 10:30, 11 or so, we will see Aryan Khan walk out of jail today.